Guys, check this out. Look at my June plum right here. In a little pot, loaded with fruit. I have to even hold it up because they're so prolific. I hadn't had a June plum before. This is my first one. But I've heard people on other videos and so forth say they can fruit themselves to death. That's how prolific they are. And you can leave them in a pot, you know, or even if you plant them, they can stay small. A bigger variety, this is the dwarf one. And you can see right here, kind of the size of it. Nice little tree. If you don't have that much space, this is a great addition and provides you a lot of fruits. So small and heavy producer, that's a winning combination right there. Thanks for watching.